Hi there, this is SEO analysis of the website RCHAWGZ, and I'm on the homepage. I won't be reviewing the website design in itself because this is just an SEO analysis. Just to let you know that the email pop-up has a small error, so it should really say get the latest updates directly to your inbox, just to just to be grammar friendly. But when it comes to the SEO score, this score is 46 out of 100, which gives a perfect opportunity to improve it, which is great. Your meta title, your homepage Google snippet is defined, so that's fantastic. Your meta title is within the limit and it tells exactly what you're selling, which is very, very good in terms of SEO and user experience. Fantastic. Fantastic. So this is all defined and you've got call to action. If I could be a little bit more picky, I would say don't have the mix of capital letters and and the regular letters. And obviously if you finish the sentence with a comma, there's no need to use a capital first letter in the next word. The heading structure, so the H tags, the heading tags on the home page are a little bit well, not in the right order, so they should really go H1, H2, which is fine, but then you should continue with H3, H4, H5, and H6. H1 is quite important and you've got it defined, so this is really good for in terms of SEO. Content analysis could be a little bit stronger, so ideally you'd want to rank for words such as remote control, cars, drones, and so on, because if you rank for these words, they are too vague really for Google to classify you in the right search results. You don't have virtually no broken links, which is absolutely fantastic, so that's good news. Your website loads in less than 2 seconds, so that's perfectly within the norm. So that definitely won't affect your conversion rate or anything like that. But if you wanted to improve in that area, there are obviously some of the elements that you can work on, but I wouldn't worry about it at this stage yet. Your website is mobile friendly, which is great as well. So yeah, I think the biggest thing that affects this low score is basically the content quality. Obviously, I didn't have a chance really to analyze your bounce rate or your dwell time, because that can also have an impact on the lower score. Ideally, according to this tool, ideally you would want to rank in the regions of at least 50, 55, but the good score would be like 60, 65. So that's definitely gives you plenty of areas to work on, which is great. Now, if you would like to receive a full website critique that reviews your website design, the conversion potential, the navigation, and the sales funnel on your website, I also offer full website critique, and the details are in the email. And if you found those tips useful, if you found them helpful, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.